Hello watch lovers and welcome to my channel Wristwatch and Wallet. On this channel we do unboxing and review different affordable watches. And today I have another affordable automatic mechanical watch that I bought recently. But before moving forward, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. That will help the channel to grow and I will be able to get new watches to you. First is the wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my CVOR 065 automatic mechanical watch, and recently I have done unboxing of it on this channel. I will leave the video link in the comment section or in the description box. Now let's move to the star of the show, which came in this blue unnamed box. The manufacturer name is Paulares and this is the first time I am unboxing a watch from this manufacturer. Without further ado, let's open the box. And in the box, we can only see two things: a watch and a cushion to support it. Also, I'm not sure about the watch model number as there is no information regarding it published on the website. However, it's an automatic mechanical watch. Now let's unwrap the watch. This is the first look of the watch after removing the plastic. Now let's move on to the measurement of the watch. According to the website, the case diameter is around 42 mm, the case height is around 15 mm, the lug-to-lug width is around 22 mm, the lug-to-lug length is around 50 mm. Then we have a stainless steel bracelet with a butterfly hidden clasp. The links are held together by push pins. The window crystal is hardlex and it is domed. There is a date complication at 6 o'clock. And then the watch is powered by an in-house movement. Wait a minute, I cannot believe my eyes. They have mentioned that water resistance of this watch is 300 meters. That's a white lie. Well, moving forward, the case is made up of alloy and then we have a see-through case back. The dial has a wave pattern like a real Omega watch, Seamaster watch, and it has iconic Omega Seamaster hands. The indices and hands seems to be lume applied, and then we have a bezel. The bezel action is not very good. Now here is a task for you. Let me know in the comment section how this watch looks to your eyes. Now it's time to look how it looks on the wrist. My wrist size is around 6.5 inches and as usual I have to remove a few links. Which also means that if someone has a bigger wrist, then they can wear it without asking for new links or extra links. That is all for today. I will try to make a full review video after wearing it for some time. Once again, if you like the video, then please do subscribe and like. That will help the channel to grow and I will be able to bring more new watches to you. Apart from that, it might also help someone to find this video. Thanks for watching.